So this is my Eaton Supercharger off my SVT Lightning. It weighs, I would say, somewhere in the 30 pounds or so. And I have to send it off to be rebuilt. This is just like a core because of reasons. And so anyway, when I go to ship this, it has to cross a couple states, and I want it to not be all beat up when it gets there. So what I come up with here is a styrofoam little cushion deal that I can set the supercharger in on its flange and then build up with styrofoam pieces all the way till the top one, which is recessed a little bit like that, and then finally a very top cap. And I'll take all those foam pieces and the supercharger and everything and put it in a box and band it real tight, and I think that'll be a nice way to send it. So that's a pretty creative way of sending these things. I know a lot of them get damaged in shipping, and the guy that's actually porting the supercharger just gave me this idea, so good recommendation on him. So hopefully it helps you with your shipping problems in the future. All right, well there it is, packaged up nice and tight and ready to get shipped off for port and rebuild and paint. So excited to get the process started.